G'day trendsetters, just a little update today on the successional planting of the peas. The last video I made, I asked the question if this was too early, and it may have been. It's hard to tell because I've put 8 or 9 seeds in here and I've only got 4 up. This was back on the 13th of February. Today's I think it's the 14th of March, so a month, but February's a short little month. But they're flowering, so, and I've got a little pea pod here as well. So pretty, even though I only got a 50% strike rate, I'm still happy that they're up. I may have lost those other 50% of seeds due to the heat because of the seed rotting in the ground. Don't know. I will find out with this next lot that I've just done. Same thing, I applied the blood and bone. The soil's already been limed from all the way through for the whole season. I planted 8 seeds, I counted them this time so I don't have to guess what I did there. What else did I do? Watered them in with a bit of sesol, and now I just have to sit back and wait. I've got a little bit of pruning to do here. I've got a climber that's coming in. The calendulas here, apart from the weeds, you didn't see that, did you? I've got a flower bud or 2 here, so they'll be flowering shortly. Otherwise, everything in the pea world, or in my pea world, is all just honky-dory. These guys should be up in a week, and in another 3 weeks I will plant my next successional planting of pea seeds that I saved from last year. I'll put a little link up here to the video, but saving pea seeds is pretty easy. These were a little dwarf variety, and they really will not grow much taller than this, so this is why they're flowering already at that size. But that's great, that's all I want for here. I've got some purple potted snow peas that I saved seed from. I haven't been able to see where you can buy seed. I've got to plant them yet, get them up and see if that seed actually comes true and will reproduce me purple potted snow peas. They were delicious last year, so I'm really crossing my fingers that the seed will come true, but time will tell. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It gets the message out to YouTube that I even exist, and their huge platform of millions and millions of YouTubers. So yeah, please thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It means a lot to me and helps my YouTube world go round, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.